Going into this movie, I knew that I had to have a bunch of explosions, and that meant that I needed to have some fireworks and firecrackers and stuff. So I had some fun with that stuff. And not all these fireworks were considered fireworks. There was some fire and other stuff like that. And I'm going to be honest with you, I don't know how I didn't lose anything with these figures. Like, I launched fireworks at him. Like, especially King Ghidorah. He got fireworks launched at him every day, and I don't know how he didn't lose a tail or a head or anything like that. Be careful, kids.